It's April 2022, and I showed in my last video, the last time I had this 4BT started up was back in 2015, I believe. So it's been a long time. I've got some stuff set up temporarily here, and I'm gonna fire it up. I just need to hear it run. And then we'll continue making progress on putting the rest of this thing together. Got the 37s mounted up on here. It's also been a lot of years since this thing was rolling and sitting on 4 tires. Getting the fender and front clip and cab and everything kind of mocked up. Got an oil pressure gauge. There's no coolant in it. Got a temporary short piece of exhaust stuck on there. Got some diesel in a jug, temporary fuel pump. Got a fuel pressure gauge. It's got new filters on it. Got a battery set up temporarily here. So we'll fire it up. Crank it over, see if it'll make oil pressure. Run the starter that long, but well, let's see what happens. We got air, we got power to the fuel solenoid, power to the fuel pump. Got 8 psi of fuel pressure. Got oil. Let the engine cool off for a little while. Not that it got hot. Gonna run that transmission in 5th gear for just a little bit and oil everything. Well, I never doubted that it would start and run perfectly, but it was really good to hear it.